Okay, I'm gonna switch to another one of your top artists.
Driving through these city streets tonight, feeling the rhythm, everything's so bright, so bright. Neon signs flicker in the midnight air. I can't help but catch that electrifying flare. Oh, people dancing like there's no tomorrow. Lights flashing, bodies moving to the flow. In this urban jungle, we're free to roam. We're the kings and queens of the neon city on. Ooh, yeah. Neon city nights, we're gonna shine so bright. Let the music take us to new heights. Dancing in the light, catching feeling so right. In the neon city nights, we come alive. Under the neon glow, we find our beat. Lost in the sound, moving our feet. With every step, we're riding our tails. In neon city nights, we're the dream. The stars above outshine by lights below. We're a story, the city's heart and soul. Beats pulse like the city's vibrant soul. In this neon dance, we play the leading role. When the night falls, the city calls a symphony of light. In the echo of our steps, we feel the magic glow so bright. Between the shadows and the beams, our spirits take the fight. In neon city nights, our hearts unite, taking us to new heights. Neon city nights, we're gonna shine so bright. Riding the rhythm, feeling the night's embrace. The dawn creeps, light deep inside, till the end of time. Oh, we rode the wave of neon lights, danced through the nights alone. In the heart of the city, found our epic score. Neon city nights, a dream that forever endures, till we return to light the streets and make them ours once more.
All right, let's try some of those songs you had on all the time a few months
Waking
ago.
up to golden rays shining through my window pane. It's a brand new day, got no worries on my brain. Feeling light as a feather, starting fresh with no weight to carry. Every step I take, I feel the world spinning, it's so merry. Under the sunflower skies, I'm free to fly. Fly high, painting dreams with colors that will never fade. No way, nothing can bring me down, I'm on cloud nine. On cloud nine, dancing with the stars in this sunflower parade. Walking down the street, a gentle breeze kisses my cheeks. I see smiles on every face, sweet melodies and laughter in the air. The world's a playground, catching moments like fireflies in a jar. In the sunflower paradise, life couldn't be more fair. Under the sunflower skies, I'm free to fly. Painting dreams with colors that will never fade. Nothing can bring me down, I'm on cloud nine. Dancing with the stars in this sunflower parade.
Okay, I'll switch it. Up now, you're May 1st.
In the digital gold rush, we mine for likes, counting followers to sleepless nights. Every post a bit for tensions thrown. In the kingdom where validation is loaned, we traded smiles and moments caught. But it's the unseen battles we fought. For every heart there's a story untold. In the quest for more, how did we grow so cold? Quest for more, how did we grow so cold? Breeding the glow in the currency of clicks, where content is king and validation sticks. More is the mantra in this endless race, chasing shadows in the digital chase. The algorithms whisper a siren song. In a sea of content we long to belong, but with every wave we lose our shore. In the pursuit of more we become less, not more. Algorithms whisper a siren song. In a sea of content we long to belong, but with every wave we lose our shore. In the pursuit of more we become less, not more. Can we pause, reflect on the path we choose? Is the followers count or our peace we lose?